It's day 2, it's a bit cooler, yesterday was very hot. Cycling north, set off at 9:20, camped with another couple on the next door site, and a man and his young daughter came and camped, and another lonesome cyclist as well. Very good facilities, and it's a bit cooler, the odd spit of rain this morning, but the nice thing is you're cycling under the linden, which is under the lime trees, I think. They're in blossom. They've got this lovely perfume, so it's really quite pleasant. You're pleased to know that the current Mrs. Antagonist and myself are still together after 27 years, and perhaps I should clarify that when I said in my first video that she had left me, in fact she had gone on a 2-week educational trip accompanying students, and I was therefore left to my own devices, so I went cycle camping. Day 2 was a long day, some 110 kilometres, and skirting west of Haarlem, then north via Alkmaar to Den Oever. This is the ruin van Brederode. And some gentlemen working there. Oh, there's a timeless scene, isn't it? Castle in the background, geese and cattle in the field. Planes taking off from Schiphol in the background. I must have coincided with the school half-day holiday, or it was around lunchtime. Perhaps it was them all going home for lunch, but this is waiting for the ferry to take us across the canal that runs or connects Amsterdam with the North Sea. So there are a lot of youngsters on board this ferry, nearly all of which are busy looking at their phones. Cycling through urban areas is just as interesting, if not more interesting, in cycling through scenic rural areas. What's interesting sound? I think, look out, the English are coming. Well, this is my lunch stop at the Alkmaar. I think this sign means look out, eat water, I'm guessing. I'm sure someone could tell me. It won't just be saying water, will it? I think that's fairly obvious. So it's about 1 o'clock-ish, set off at 9:20. That's my picnic table. Unfortunately, the animals have been through all the burger wrappers and everything in the litter bin, spread it all around, which is a bit unfortunate. You'll have to excuse me for my somewhat random content, but you'll appreciate that it's not that easy to cycle and navigate and cope with drizzly rain, so I'm afraid that it's just me cobbling together the clips that I happen to take. I'd be very much obliged if you could like and subscribe, please, as it would make a big difference to the channel. Finally, at the end of day 2, with about another 15k to go, the turbines are pointing towards me, which means the wind is on my back. Yippee! I guess because I was tired and keen to pitch my tent, I failed to take any photographs of day 2's overnight campsite, which was very good. Well, almost at the end. Reached my site nearly. Landscape's changed. Still flat. Blowy. More agricultural now. Middenmeer. Make sure you join me in episode 3 where we travel over the Afloosdijk by bus.